Now we continue with exercise 3.2. Third question. The weights in kilogram of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38 and 47. Find the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? Now the weights in kilogram of 15 students are given. So we want to find the mode and median of this data. So children, what is meant by mode? The number which comes the maximum number of times, that is known as the mode. Then what is meant by median? Median means after arranging the numbers in ascending order with the same values together, the number which comes in the middle is known as the median. So median is the middle value and mode is the number which comes maximum number of times. So what we want to do first? So first we want to arrange the numbers in ascending order with the same values together. So we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order with the same values together. Now we can arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now out of these 15 values, which is the smallest one? So the smallest one is 32. So we can write 32. Then next comes after 32, which one? 35. Then the next one is 36. Then the next one is 37. Then 38. 38 how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 38. Then after 38 we have 40. Then after 40 we have 42. Then next 43. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So 43, 43 and 43. Then next after 43 we have a 45. Then 47 and the last one is 50. So we arranged the numbers in ascending order with the same values together. Now look at that. Which number is repeated or which number occurs the maximum number of times? Here 32, 35, 36, 37, they occurred only one time. Then what about 38? 38 is repeated 3 times. Then 40 only one time, 42 one time, then 43 also 3 times. So the numbers 38 and 43 are repeated 3 times, that is the maximum number of times. So we can say that the mode of the given data is, so the modes of the given data is equal to 38 and 43. The modes of the given data which is equal to 38 and 43. Now next we want to find the median. Median means the number which comes in the middle. Okay. So in order to calculate the median, we want to find the number of observations. Okay. So the number of observations is equal to the number of observations, that is n is equal to how many observations are there? 15. So 15 values are given. Now look at that, this 15 is an odd number. So we want to find the number which comes in the middle. So we want to find the position of the number. So how can you find out the position? So in order to find out the position, the number of observations are odd. the position of the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th ith. Okay. So, n is equal to 15, 15 plus 1 by 2, 15 plus 1 equal to 16, 16 by 2. So, which is equal to 8th. So, the number which comes in the 8th position, we can call it as the median. So, the position of the median, so the which number we have to take it as the median, we want to find the position. So, the position in order to find out the number of observations is odd. So, the position will be n plus 1 by 2th item. So, the 8th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, which number will be in the middle or which number comes in the 8th position? The number 40. So, we can say that the median of the given data is equal to 40. So, we want to find out the position of the number, and we can see that the number which comes in the 8th position will be the median. Therefore, the median is equal to 40. Now, we have one more question. After finding out the median and mode, is there more than one mode? Now, look at that. How many modes are here? Here we have 2 modes. So, the modes are 38 and 43. So, what we can say that, is there more than one mode? Yes. More than one mode. Yes, there are more than one mode. Now, we will go to the next question. Question number 5. Check whether the statement is true or false. You want to check whether the given statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Now, look at the question. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. So, a data is given, the number which is repeated the maximum number of times, we have to take it as the mode. Okay. So, the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. So, what about that statement, whether it is true or false? We will get the answer from the set of data itself. So, we can say that the mode is always one of the numbers in a data, it will be a true statement. True. The mean is one of the numbers in a data. How you want to calculate the mean? Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So, you want to find the sum of the observations and you have to divide the sum by the number of observations. So, you will get a number other than the numbers given in the data. So, the mean is one of the numbers in a data, that is a false statement. So, you will get a number which is outside of the data, not from the collection of numbers. So, sometimes the numbers will be different one. The median is always one of the numbers in a data. Median means the middle value. So, that is always one of the numbers in the data. So, what about the statement, whether it is true or false? We can say that it is a true statement. So, the mode and median are always one of the numbers, but the mean will be different. Now, the fourth question, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. So, the data is given here. So, the mean is given as 9. So, we want to check it. So, we have to calculate the mean of this set of observations. So, mean is equal to, how can you calculate mean? Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Now, sum of all observations means 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9 the whole divided by, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then which is equal to, you have to add it, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 8, 21 plus 9, 30, 42, then 42 plus 13, 55, 55 plus 9, 64. So 64 divided by 8. Then what is 64 divided by 8? Which is equal to 8. Now the mean of this set of observations is equal to 8. But in the question it is given us the mean is equal to 9. So what about the statement, whether it is true or false? So the answer is false. It is a false statement because the mean is equal to 8. Now homework, exercise 3.2, question number 4. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.